Starting our project with the basics showcases the raw materials required to construct our coffee station. Galvanized pipes, renowned for their rugged durability and industrial aesthetic. Selecting the perfect wood for our station, we embrace the natural beauty of timber. A smooth, dark-stained plank forms the foundation of our design, bringing warmth and elegance. Laying out the pipe fittings meticulously plans the structure of our coffee station. The arrangement of elbows, T's, and flanges not only ensures stability, but also adds to the industrial charm. Assembling the station, we witness the fusion of metal and wood. Hand-tightening the fittings onto the wooden base underscores our DIY ethos, blending form with function. With the structure standing, our coffee station begins to take shape. The industrial frame, now upright, offers a stark yet sophisticated contrast to its surroundings, embodying modern functionality. Decorating our station, we curate with simplicity and style in mind. A modern coffee maker, sleek cups, and minimalist accessories perfectly complement the industrial base, marrying aesthetics with utility. Our journey concludes with the coffee station fully integrated into the kitchen. The warm glow of natural light celebrates the completion of our project, a testimony to how DIY can seamlessly incorporate into any home.